A very good question. About RPMs, it's a very different story. So, what you have to consider and understand in general is that normally factories produce blades that are running 6 times faster than the wind speed. So, for example, if we have the wind like that is 5 meters per second, then the blade, the tip of the blade specifically, goes with the speed which is 6 times more. So the speed on the tip of a blade would be 5 multiple 6 would be 30 meters per second. And what else to consider? If going too thick on the tip of a blade, you will have troubles with noise. You will have troubles with blade bending because the wind pressure on the tip of a blade will be way too much. And you may end up with having not sturdy enough blades on some certain wind speeds. That is why normally wind turbines blades are thinner to the end because, well, that's easier. They are more flexible in that case, and they are more easy. They better withstand the wind, the gusts, and the extreme conditions. That's why they produce them like that. Like regardless of the size of the wind turbine, from the smallest to the biggest ones which are 100 meters in diameter, maybe even more. What else? About RPMs, you have to also consider the blade's profile. Specifically, for example, if you are using a self-made blades that are from a round pipe, Sewers pipe very often are very used for this, for example, in that case, you will have two things. Thing number one, you will have the blades that are they will have a lot of drag, but they will not have enough speed. So you have to consider this. So if you have a high voltage generator, that might be a good idea for you to use that kind of blade. But factories normally try to produce the speedy blades, so the blades that are rotating faster to reach higher and more constant values on the higher wind speeds, like mid-range from 6-7 meters per second up to higher 15 and more meters per second. Like that's the standard way. How do they do this? Uh, if we are talking about fixed pitch wind turbines, if we are talking about pitch controlled wind turbines, then that's a different story. Then the pitch control itself resolves a lot of trouble, and you can adjust and make your wind turbine as much as you like. And normally, those wind turbines achieve their nominal values slightly earlier. We will see that in some time. I'm going to have one. So if you haven't subscribed yet, do this not to miss this kind of content further.